Thank you very much for your kind attention.
Thank you, Takeshi. Nice videos, nice talk. And maybe we will cover a couple of questions. You all, yeah. Quick.
One thing I'm surprised about, when you do the experiments in the wind tunnel, you have perfect conditions. When you're in the field, you have fluctuation of the air, you have different densities. And so I'm not surprised that you would have effects sometimes happening, sometimes not happening. It depends on the surrounding. So, and the other question I would have, is there a dependency on the temperature, for example? Is the same effect happening at cold weather and in warm weather, or is there a dependency of the pressure of the ball?
Of course, wind tunnel test, of course, fluctuate force. Here, some spike is enough the force of fluctuate, but some force is more small. But I believe this is evidence. This is not evidence of magnet. But the main reason is a little different, because you know, wind tunnel setup is a little bit different of real world. The wave structure is a little bit different in the case of side force, side acceleration. The wind tunnel and the real world are really different. Interesting is that if the case wind tunnel detects the knuckleball, then what happens the normal straight ball? Otherwise, if we find the normal straight ball in the wind tunnel, what happens knuckleball? Then wind tunnel is very important data of the aerodynamic characteristic detected. But the knuckle effect is also containing other reasons, I believe. And the temperature or atmosphere, the pressure effect is also, it's also, you know, physics. Unfortunately, today we have no data, but you also know high level the correction is also small, as you know.
Coming back to one question, is there a dependency on the temperature? So if a goalkeeper has he to expect more fluctuations of the ball when it's warm weather as compared to cold weather, do you know?
Yeah, I have no data in that situation, but also I think that a slight difference.
Because I would expect more fluctuation in warm weather in terms of the density of the air in different parts of the flight. So, but does anybody else know whether, from practical experience, from soccer, whether there is more occurrence during warm weather as compared to cold weather?
How about the doctor say?
I don't have any data, but I think air density increases with decreasing the temperature, so more aerodynamic forces act on the ball in the cold weather. So there is a chance of fluctuation in the cold weather, I think. But I don't have any field work data.
Yep.
I think that the temperature changes, they change also the shape of the ball a little, and probably the behavior of air movement is different due to the changes in the surface of the material.
Sorry, I don't know this CW data. Maybe the roughness is one of the key factors of the behavior of the trajectory of ball movement, and also air density or temperature affects the vortex structure. Then the movement is also changing.
I come from Finland, and we used to play wintertime outdoors, and the -8 Celsius is the lowest which is officially accepted. But very few days we have over 30 centigrades in summertime, but it's my practical opinion coming from this kind of temperature changes.
Okay. No comment. Yeah. The last comment, please.
I would like to know the reproducibility of your experiment. Reproducibility. If the reproducibility is very well, the difference of straight ball and knuckleball depends on kicker technique or external environment.
My reproducibility is not so high, but almost a high-level player is reproducibility very high. Straight ball is okay, straight ball. Knuckleball, okay,
How about window? How about tunnel experiment?
Tunnel experiment, okay. Tunnel experiment is reproducibility is not so high, but we measure long time, then this is the deviation. Very complex. Repeatability is very low, but all over trend is almost the same.
Okay. Thanks again, Takeshi.